We are now on the grounds of the absolute largest pirate ship that I've ever built in my 16 years of doing this. We invited the community out to have a good time and to kind of road test this thing. It's been fun to come out and turn everybody loose and let them have at it and have fun. What an epic tale this place has been. It took 32 working days to build this thing. I usually build a pirate ship in about 5 days. So 32, you can imagine how daunting of a task that must have been for me. This ship is about 3 times the size of my largest ship. The largest one we typically do is 22 feet long, 10 feet wide, about 5 feet off the ground. Well, this one is 10 to 12 feet off the ground, 20 feet wide, and 40 feet long. It is just an absolute monster. In fact, I've called it the monster in Monteagle. Of course, attached to a pretty cool castle here, which is probably the largest castle I've ever done as well. Everything just had to be big. It just had to scale up. This is kind of a variation of the bridge that I have done many times. So I don't think I've seen this kind of bridge done anywhere else. 14-foot rocket slide. I found these really cool webbing nets and I had to figure out a good way to rig them so they were rigid on the outside but still flexible on the inside. And so that's a brand new element on this. This is easily the largest rock wall I've ever built. Pretty massive. It's definitely rewarding to see it done, to see kids here, families here playing, having fun, and seeing their imaginations run wild. That's the reward. You know, this is like my Mona Lisa. This is like the pinnacle of everything that I've ever built, being the self-proclaimed Pirate King.